Hey, Tom, this pandemic is a bummer.
I know, but it's not the biggest problem we have, you know.
What do you mean?
I mean, COVID-19 is bad, but climate change is even worse.
It is?
Yes, the World Health Organization estimates that climate change will soon cause about 250,000 deaths each year.
Wow, I had no idea.
Most people don't. Unfortunately, our leaders are not doing a good job of educating people about it. And they're even worse at getting people to do something about it.
Well, that makes me mad. We should do something about it ourselves. I'm just not sure what to do.
Well, the first thing is to learn about it and start talking to others about what can be done about it. But so much of the information and conversations about it are in English, and my English is not so good.
Mine either.
Did you know that there is a place where you can get better at English and learn about the issues that cause climate change?
There is?
Yes, it's called Learning English Through Sustainability and Global Issues.
Gosh, I didn't know.
Yes, it not only teaches about our environmental problems, but about solutions too. And it gives students lots of chances to use their English reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. But the best thing is that the teacher, Ms. Chaz, helps you with the work.
Cool. I'm gonna check it out.
Hey, why don't we check it out together?
Okay, let's do this.